Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Daily Bone Podcast, Friday, May 17th. We're here to discuss all things crypto market. That includes Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, meme coins, and of course, NFTs. Today, we're going to discuss crypto's continued strength and whether altcoins like Solana and Avalanche are primed for a breakout. I'm going to give you a hint. They are, especially Solana. Good God. The next story, the rise in SocialFi across Blast and Base and how to capitalize on those opportunities. I mean, we've never talked about that before. And last but not least, the potential opportunities to watch for this weekend. Clemente, how you doing this morning, buddy?
I'm doing okay. I usually am very disciplined, Pio, about turning off my NFT and crypto stuff like an hour before I go to bed. But as I was just about to do that, Wob last night posted an absolute banger tweet of disinformation. So I had a bunch of his cards that I owned. He got 700,000 impressions. So I started buying a lot more of his cards. I was up like 2-3x, but I was so excited, so fired up that I couldn't go to sleep for like 4 hours. So I destroyed my sleep, but you know, at least I'm up on his cards.
So I saw this. So I love this because this is like fastball down the middle, something that crypto Twitter will like sink their teeth into. It's like basically just screenshots that seem like they somehow are insider info. What they do is they bring the people out that the people that want to other people to think that they have insider info and they weigh in on it. That's like the big thing, right? And I'm just like, dude, you guys don't know whether an Ethereum ETF is going to be approved. Like, think about how big of a thing that is.
I love this misinformation a lot because like I'm a big Wob bag holder. I own like 15 of his cards, so this was great for my bag.
Oh no, like I think what Wob did is fantastic. Yeah,
so he stole this post.
Oh,
that's the best awesome part. Click hidden replies. Clemente, real quick, hit the top three and the three little dots on the top right. For those on Twitter, we're looking at the tweet itself. So you can actually see, scroll up just a smidge, a little high right there. So Chandra Devins on May 1st actually posted this misinformation the first time. And Wob took the exact...
Oh, and he got 250,000 too.
Yes. And Wob took the exact same quote, waited 2 weeks, and posted the exact same tweet with the exact same pictures. The funniest thing about this was Nate Rivers, people who are unfamiliar with Nate was a big OK Bears guy, shilling the absolute hell out of it all the way up to 250 Sol and all the way back down. Immediately wrote off Sol after it. People have now kind of turned on Nate. I like Nate personally, but he was like, Wob, this could send you to jail. And Wob's like, dude, shut up. Like, what are you talking about? Wob, he goes, isn't this illegal? Nate says, isn't this illegal? And Wob just goes, no. And then Nate posts the chart and is like, right when you tweeted, ETH dropped 1%. And Wob responds, you think I can move a $350 billion market cap with a single tweet? Get out of here. And then basically like continued to double down on it. They went back and forth. And overall, it was just like pure chaos on the timeline last night. I was fired up. I was watching it in real time. I was like, hell yeah, my bags are pumping. More misinformation. I'm all in. Let's gear up for the election cycle. This is exactly what we want. Slap an AI video in here and let's get after it.
Yeah, if I was Wob, I would have said, yes, it is illegal. I love it. That's even better. I forgot about that vertical. That's like the vertical when Nick posted he posted the news about Artifact. Someone came in and was like, Nike's a publicly traded company. You could go to jail for this. And Nick was like, no, I couldn't. Again, I think a better response is like, yeah, I'm expecting to. I think I'm probably going to go to jail. But yeah, I saw Kobe in that said our porridge is like getting cold, like implying that something like horrible was going to happen.
He said the porridge is cold and we're out of bananas. Which makes no sense. And that's what Wob actually responded with when he was like, people believe this is real. And Wob just said, the porridge is cold and we're out of bananas, which doesn't make any fucking sense.
I do like that quote. I definitely like that quote. I think that's super interesting. I also think it's funny that the crypto people love just posting like, you know, the world is going to end. I'm like, what is the reality that you're talking about? Like, I don't know. Anyway, why don't you guys keep things going? I think I just need to step away for 1 second.
You're good. We'll take care of it.
We got it. Wait, I will say I got I made a little trade off my Wobs, dude.
Oh, let's hear what you cooking with, big dog.
I was so excited. I literally couldn't sleep. I was so fired up.
The 1 ETH blast challenge is so back, brother. We're back up to 0.9. We're back to 0.9. I don't know how we rallied so hard because we're such a large bag holder of WOB on this challenge. I was going to take the rest of the port to YOLO games and just spin the damn wheel and see what happens at this point because I'm over it. We're like a week into it and I'm over trading the hell out of this damn thing. I'm like, let's take this sucker to YOLO games. Instead, though, we got a meme coin pre-sale that dropped, Clemente. We bought in heavy, baby.
No,
I want them to close that damn pre-sale though.
Hear about it. We'll talk about that pre-sale in what to watch for today. I participated in it as well, but yeah, it's getting feisty out there. So Easy, you sold off a lot of your fantasy top portfolio other than on your burner.
If I sold off like basically everything on burner and regular at the moment. I've taken a ton of profits out. As I look, yeah. So this is the burner. This is the 1 ETH challenge. We're sitting at, you can see I actually sent some pre-sale funds out of this for the token. So we're back up to like 0.8. Yesterday we were sitting at like 0.69. You can see like I bought these WOBs way too high. We're basically back to break even on them. I was buying the top literally seconds before the jackpot hit. And I didn't have a fantasy top jackpot set for it. So I didn't even get the gold, which sucks. I'm down literally 70% on my Faroks. Like, Farouk, just tweet more, please. Just spam the fucking timeline. I don't care what you do. Just tweet. Just tweet. I know you can't spread misinformation because you own a media company, but like if you were in the US, they actually encourage that. So like, please just tweet. Like I need the Farouk cards to go up. I'm begging you, man.
We need a CNN CNN style.
CNN's not even legal in Canada, so I don't know if he knows what that is at the moment. But hey, just tweet, man, please.
CNN definitely would be. Yeah, sorry I had to step away. The dog walker had Sapphire's best doggy friend right outside my door, so she started spazzing out. Just wanted to make sure everything was okay. Well, look, we're going to dive into this show in just a second. Who's doing the weather report today? Is it if Nick joins video, he can do the weather report. Otherwise, I guess we'll have Easy do it, maybe, or Clemente can do it, either one. Anyway, today's show is brought to you in partnership with Galaxis. Very excited about partnering with Galaxis. Galaxis is a decentralized no-code platform that allows creators to build tokenized communities without having to worry about the coding required. Obviously, if you participated in Web3, you know that this is super important. Not everybody can code, ladies and gentlemen. Newsflash. Me, Clemente and Clemente can't code. I think Easy actually might be able to like code a teeny weeny bit. I'm not sure.
Not well. I can press the buttons for sure.
You can press a few buttons. Anyway, creators are able to issue membership cards that unlock perks, physical or digital redeemables, and access to various IRL events. Galaxis also just launched a community grants program with $1 million worth, get that, $1 million worth of rewards to be distributed to creators and community members. To get started, register your community now using the link pinned up top and apply to receive a launch key. Clemente, anything I missed here?
No, other than the comments all saying that Nick can't code. So he needs Galaxis.
That's a funny campaign.
I'll be there in 1 sec on the camera, but dude, no, all these disrespectful haters who don't know how to code, I don't care about your commentary.
I do like that as a campaign idea. I didn't even think of that. It's like, hey, can you also not code? You need Galaxis. But in all seriousness, it is important for Web3 organizations to develop this kind of infrastructure because, again, having to be able to, it's almost like, you know, how at early social media days, you had to like actually know how to code to like make a website. And then now you can just use like, I don't know, Squarespace or something, right? It's like super easy to just make a website. Like this is what that's this kind of thing, but for our space. So really cool stuff. Shout out to Galaxis, where you'll be hearing more about our partnership with them as the days and weeks go on. Anyway, let's get into this weather report. I'm assuming, we can get a little, we can get a choose rich weather report if Nick's up for it. Only if he's up for it. I don't know if he's got any coding.
The doctor.
Coding attack. The doctor's
the doctor.
Okay.
Dr. Nick's here, ladies.
Classic doctor joke. I come from a long lineage of doctors. That's what they're talking about. My father was a doctor. His father was not a doctor, actually.
A lineage of one.
But his father's father was a doctor. So it skips a generation, which is why
I don't think so. I feel like his father's father was like a plumber or something like that.
Listen, you know, misinformation's bullish, Nick. Just go with it.
Apparently, our original last name actually meant plumber. And then somewhere along the line, it got changed to O'Neill because one of the guys was like, I don't like my family, got adopted by a war hero. And so I have the genetics of a plumber. And let me tell you, plumbers make a lot of money nowadays. So it feels like we have a lot in common as a rich person. Anyways, this is the weather report. ETH market volume, 10 million. Is that good?
No.
Okay. Solana market volume 3.8. Yikes. Ordinals market volume 2. Remember those things? You guys remember Bitcoin? Wow, what a joke. NFT market leaders. On Ethereum, Wolfgame is up 90% to 0.25 ETH on the back of their Blast migration plans, obviously. On Blast, Blastopians are down. Are you fucking kidding me? Dude, I'm not listening to advice from Clemente, Easy. None of these guys are a bunch of grifting assholes, basically.
Yep.
Like they're just, oh, is this the trending thing now? Yeah, you should buy it. Suddenly, I'm the one whose money is giving to go pay the other people, basically.
Peter pays Paul.
I've just gotten wrecked. I bought my own card on Fantasy Top, wrecked. No, I had one person be like, yo, you got to tweet more. I'm like, I'm the one getting fucked. Okay. So I bought it for higher than you. Someone tell this guy, Nick, to get his act together. Blastopian's down 15% to 0.16 ETH. That's what I was complaining about. On Solana, Utes are down 15% to 7.5 Sol. Golfin cards. What the fuck are Golfin cards?
Golfin's a golf to earn app.
Okay.
Yep. So they have some integrations with some courses
Dude,
and a mobile app.
Become a fucking parody at this point, dude.
Yep. So if you own this and you turn the app on while you golf, you earn the Golfin token. Oh, one sec. My camera decided to shut off.
Tom Ho says this is the worst weather report ever. Shut the hell up, Tom Ho. Golfin cards. I just don't understand where the hell this golfing card. Like, had we previously discussed golfing?
No, but it's hard to find like two things that are moving on Solana on a 24-hour period right now. So we
just threw out a random one. Everybody, watch out for golfing cards. Finally, on Ordinals, Runestone is down 10% to 0.009 BTC.
Yikes.
Was
Runestone like one of the main things?
Yeah. Runestone was
arguably like the most sought after runes in pre-sale. It was airdropped. You basically needed to hold 3 runes at some point. Yeah, I don't know. A lot of people had some very high expectations for it. Down right now. You could have sold this for 0.1 Bitcoin.
Yep.
On a more positive note, dude, the YouTube commenters are getting after it. They're like, yeah, I agree with Tom Ho. And one guy's like, yeah, this weather report is kind of depressing. Crypto roundup. Majors are steady as they held yesterday's gains, with Bitcoin at 66,250, Ethereum back over 3,000, holding at 3030, and Solana at 167. Let us fucking go. This is actually a very interesting level that I'm paying attention to right here. I could not be more happy. We saw resistance right off the line that I had drawn, which was 169.82. It blasted through the 154.96 level that I was paying attention to. I think what the market's waiting to see is, does Bitcoin go above 66,184? That's the level that I'm looking at as well. And can it hold above that? If it does, we could get maybe even a little bit higher. I think let it go above 67. Then this market's going to get very fucking interesting. I'm just wishing I had yeeted a little bit more into crypto at this point in time. Now Clemente's screen is gone. Now the sharing is gone. Now Clemente is gone.
It's just you and me, Nick. It's just you and me.
This whole show is just imploding rapidly.
Sorry, my VPN was turned on because I was I took a
doing illegal activity.
No,
okay.
I wanted to use Thruster. So, anyways,
memes were a mixed bag with tickers relating to the Roaring Kitty saga. Sufferer, dude, who
suffered?
The Roaring Kitty saga suffered.
Yeah. Moving on.
That's interesting English. GME, AMC, WSB, and Kitty are all down over 15% on the day. I mean, who could have seen that coming? You're telling me that the GameStop momentum off of a couple of tweets couldn't sustain?
Well, GameStop's also selling 45 million shares.
Let's fucking go.
Spoiler alert. That's in the newsletter.
That is the way to go. How's the GME? So that is the meme coin you're talking about is down 15%. Yikes. Mishi and Maneki are winners on the day, both up over 20%. Over the past 24 hours, U.S. Senate passed a resolution to repeal an SEC bulletin that requires custodians to report liability and corresponding assets for all crypto assets on their balance sheet. Custodians to report liability and following the vote, Wyoming Senator Cynthia Loomis posted a picture of herself on X with laser eyes and the quote, "We are so back," featuring the Bitcoin symbol. Maybe do we discuss that further in the show about this?
No, but we can.
I'm just curious, like, it repealed. Wow. That's crazy. All right. Yeah, that's a worthwhile thing to discuss. Over on the meme coin side, a disgruntled ex-employee of Pump.Fun drained 1.9 million of funds from meme coin liquidity pools. Pump.Fun addressed the theft with a promise to make holders whole and remove trading fees on the platform for the next 7 days. Pump.Fun, the site you go to when you want to pump a token for basically 30 minutes. Like that, you're muted, Easy.
You usually get about 1 hour.
Okay, 1 hour. My
1
bad.
hour.
I want to apologize to the Pump.Fun community.
Yeah, please don't disrespect it, dude. It's literally just a constant cycle of liquidity. I went deep in some Dune analytics last night to actually like analyze the Pump.Fun and meme coin circle because like, how is this sustainable? Until I looked at the data and I was like, oh, this makes a lot of sense. All-time high new Radium users, all-time high volume on DEXs on Solana. So both of those two things are what I'm watching for. As soon as new users, it's like net new wallets starts to decline, I'm out. So like you can see here, reoccurring users up and new users up, which means that there's still net new participants month over month. So I'm like, okay, maybe this Pump.Fun thing actually is like the way you should be navigating right now because this is where everyone's going, even new people. And when I started to look at that, I was like, this actually starts to be more like, okay, the top isn't in on these stupid things yet. You can make money on this.
These analytics, to me, also don't actually like represent accurate assessment because they're wallets. They're not necessarily users. But on all of this crypto stuff, we view them as, quote, users. But I don't think that that's...
People have multiple wallets. The graphic after this is what I was more interested in. If you go up here, this was the one that I was more interested in. Total number of transactions. Because that does mean that people are utilizing it more day over day.
I mean, it is an interesting observation. Look, Solana's the king. You know, we need to bow down and recognize, like, that's always been clear. And the Sergeant of Solana has been targeting $1,000 SOL for a while now. Okay. Okay. So let's move on to the next story. Coinbase announced that Jupe and Tensor futures are now trading on Coinbase Advanced. Jupe is up 4% on the news and Tensor is up 5% on the day to a $900 million market cap. Which one's 900 million?
Tensor is 900 million FDV.
All right. We're going to have a conversation about English. Okay. There's a little bit, just a little frustration on my end. That's it for the weather report. The best one ever delivered, according to the commenters. You're welcome, commenters.
There you go. Some updates from the Daily Bone newsletter. This is emailed to anyone that subscribes at dailybones.com. You can go subscribe there. First story, Dow Jones crosses 40K as it closes at a record high along with the NASDAQ and the S&P 500. I love it. The TradFi update from Clemente and Ray. Next story, Pudgy Penguins partners with Lotte Group, a South Korean retail and entertainment corporation.
That was a tongue twister, huh?
Lotte. I don't know how to pronounce that.
Nick?
Lotte. But I was going to say
what language is that coming from?
Well, there's actually another LOTTE, which is for, I forget what the...
athletic wear. They do tennis shoes.
There's an animation thing. Lotte spelled Lottie. I'm getting into web developer geek conversations here, but there's a project called Lotte, which is basically they make all the animation. So like if you want to make your app fun, when you like refresh, for example, rather than just a circle going like this, you want a squiggle to come across. That's what Lottie is all about. So that's how I pronounce it.
Got it. And the tongue twisters, Pudgy Penguins Partners. Pudgy Penguins Partners.
Say that 6 times 3.
Yeah.
Pudgy Penguins.
Next story, Backpack Exchange launches the Mad Lads VIP program, offering reduced fees for holders. Interesting. Okay. And then GameStop files to sell up to $45 million of shares as stock price dips 22%. That's exactly what GameStop should do. This is not a NFT project or a crypto project. This is a publicly traded company. Nick, you might have missed this. GameStop filed to share up, to sell.
We were discussing that earlier. Yeah, right when you bounced off.
It's what you're supposed to do. That is a good move by the GameStop organization, no question. If I was a GameStop employee, I would have been dumping shares into that pump as hard as I possibly could.
They're down to 27.67, way off of the level that Clemente bought at. Remember when you were buying this at 65, Clemente?
Put his entire Volkswagen GTI, whatever the hell he had,
he was going to throw the whole bag at GameStop at 67.
All right, it was a moment of euphoria, as a moment of FOMO. As an emotional Latino man, I can't help it sometimes, and my emotions sometimes come out very strong. And they got the best of me that day, that's for sure.
That's wild. One thing on the Backpack Exchange Mad Lads VIP program, what's the price of Mad Lads now? Don't
even tell me, better to just not look.
Do not tell me.
It is at, if I'm pulling up Tensor, Mad Lads.
I'm going to guess 57.
No, it's still at 61, so that's not bad. I would have expected that an announcement like that would drive the price lower, because this is like the Russ. It's actually identical. All the stuff that was covered on Silicon Valley, I think, is applicable to crypto in some way too. It's like when Russ Hanneman tells Richard on Silicon Valley, he's like, never have revenue, like, because as soon as you have revenue, they can assign a value to your company. As soon as it's like you get this with a Mad Lad, people are going to go, well, that's not that good. I don't want that. And the price is just going to go down. The key thing is to do absolutely nothing. Remember when Renga came out and it literally went to 5 Ethereum because the team just wouldn't say anything for like 3 weeks. The second you start saying stuff is when the price starts to go down. What to watch out for today? This is the segment that is designed to make you aware of any potential opportunities you should be paying attention to in the crypto space today.
Again, great sentence.
This potential opportunities you should be paying attention to today. Today's is for the Pew meme coin, PEW, ticker PEW meme coin on Blast. Okay.
Pio, there's a meme coin on Blast. Basically, a lot of people got a free allocation. So you can, if you go in and click the links that I shared in the chat or the Twitter space, you just can claim 690 Pew. It'll ask you to tweet and stuff, but just click it and then don't tweet and it'll make it so you can claim it. So Nick, you should get in on this. You're eligible because you own PackMoon.
So I get to claim this for free?
Yeah, you get to claim it for free. I think it's only going to be worth like around $100 around there, maybe a little bit less under current caps. I also participated in the pre-sale, however, which I'm not necessarily recommending anyone do, but I sent 0.15 into this. Because it's pretty much the only meme coin with any sort of like real website or any sort of
oversubscribed 100%. We're so
but
we're getting 50% of our allocation.
I got in. I sent a 0.15. We maybe shouldn't even be sharing this if we wanted to make money because now it's going to get more oversubscribed. But yeah, I think it's going to cook.
Well, you just screwed that up. Look, this is all about us making money, guys. Remember, what meme coin are we pumping today?
Pull up Pump.Fun. Let's get after it.
Pump.Fun.
Pull up Pump.Fun Fridays. Let's get it.
Let's just.
Yeah, wasn't there an exploit on Pump.Fun?
Oh yeah, there was, but we're right back after it, PO. It doesn't even matter. Exploit the wallets.
We need to make some money. We need to dump on our followers.
I like it. What do we got here?
Fun Friday, dump on followers Friday, whatever you want to call it.
Buy whatever we buy. No, I'm just kidding.
Get a shit coin real quick. Let's just ape into this. What's one that we want to go on to? What? So you're telling me, is there a process? Are there any of these available that we can get that's going to go from basically, what's the level where it gets
69K market cap?
So just 100% of the time, if it hits 69K market cap,
right
you're
to
good
radio.
to go?
right? It migrates to radium, and now anybody can buy it.
We're going to get
commented.
arrested, I think, if we keep,
Yes.
if we keep operating. Let's first start with the disclaimer.
This is not financial advice. Everything you see on this is for entertainment purposes only. You will lose money, and I wish you luck if you tail any of these plays. There's a slight lag. There's not, but we're going to say that right now. So if you see us buying, we've already exited the position. Good luck.
Nick, is there anything you want to add to that?
Yeah. Never follow these trades. Never follow these trades.
Do not buy anything.
You're going
Don't
to lose
buy
a
it.
fuck ton of money, basically.
If you buy it, just don't buy it. Literally don't buy it. Do not buy it. All right, so Pump.Fun, what do we got?
Do not buy it. So what are we
What do
buying?
you guys like? What do you guys like here?
Look
Dude,
at
it
that
means
pizza
so-
with the cat.
Okay, pizza with the cat. Let's
It's
No,
already
no, we're
gone.
not buying that one. We're not buying
I
that
don't
one.
know.
All right, forget that one. That's old news.
Forget that one. On to the next one. On to the next
Okay,
one.
Nintendo
we need to do that
Swatch.
a couple of times. We gotta be like, is it pizza with cat? Is it
Is it pizza with cat? Are
Is
we
it
buying
pizza
another
with
SpongeBob
cat?
derivative?
No,
Are we buying a
pizza
new
with
one with a
cat.
hat? Does it have a hat? Does it not have a hat? What are we buying today, boys? What are we aping? What are we buying? Where are we spending our money? Let's get after it.
So hold on real quick. So when you look at this market cap, for example, and you sort by market cap,
Mhm.
are we just looking for the ones that are like below
All right,
what
so I'm gonna put you guys onto some alpha here. You ready for this?
yeah.
Alright, this is some alpha. I'm sharing it in the private chat. We can share it here, but just so Clemente can open up this sucker. This is called Pump.Fun. Poomp.fun. Think of it as the Bloomberg terminal for Pump.
Oh,
Fun.
wow.
So you can set parameters, you can check market cap minimums, you can set things and thresholds for when it's been created. So what I like to do,
What market cap minimum are we going for
so
here?
I usually go for like
Or max.
8,000. I like to go with like an 8,000 minimum because that means that there's been a couple buys. When you
And
created it,
what's the max? Like
I
50,000?
leave max open because if you notice, these animations are a little less aggressive on the eyes. You know, so what you see here in that top left, if you keep seeing the same ticker pop up there in that top left, that means a lot of buy and sell pressures happening, a lot of actions happening on that ticker. So I like to wait. I like to scope it out. I like to sit here calmly and wait for the right ticker to pop up there like 3 or 4 times.
So put the cap at 100,000. So
Minimum.
minimum.
You won't even have 100,000. It can't get to 100,000 on this.
Yeah, it is.
No, it can't get to 100,000 on it
Well, it filtered out a bunch on Pump.Fun. It can.
because those are old tickers that have gotten to radium. So on this, it's only newer tickers. So if you, like
And
notice
what,
how
they
now there's
can't-
nothing happening.
I'm
Because
just
market cap
no,
minimum.
no,
is too
not
high.
at the minimum, Clemente. I think you can't, but make the minimum 8,000.
Yep.
Okay, 8,000.
And
Nick wants to do 100K market cap max. I think that's dumb personally. I leave it open.
50? Oh, just leave it up.
I don't even put anything. I leave it open because like if there's a 30K or 40K that I want to get into and quickly get in and out before it hits radium, that's what I like
then
to do.
putting 100K would be fine.
It just doesn't do anything. The other thing I like to do is sometimes toggle on Telegram, website, Twitter, because then you actually know that they at least tried to click a couple more buttons.
So what's up with this Nintendo Swatch?
I've been seeing that one pop up a lot. I think
I think that's pretty
Nintendo
interesting.
Swatch pop up a lot. But the issue is, if you notice, look at this chart. No, don't buy this. Don't buy this yet.
None
Look at this chart.
Nintendo Swatch.
So now what you got to do is scroll down just a tiny bit. Scroll down just a tiny bit on the screen. Look at the right side here. Holder distribution. We can see the developers still in. So developer at
58%.
So that's radium. Developers at 5%. 5%. So they could basically just tank the chart if they get to a certain price. We know that they won't, though, theoretically, because they could have already done that after it ran all the way up here. So this one seems decent, has a lot of comments. You want some decent comments. Some people bought the comments. You can
This guy
check wallets.
says
Of course.
Devis-based long-term project, big potential growth.
Yeah,
Big
it's a big
potential growth.
Yep, big
growth.
potential.
There's a lot of growth potential around. We got a lot of
Potential.
growth.
Yep.
There's potentiality here, dude.
So we don't like the Swatch then.
I would probably pass on Swatch. I like to
Passing
buy
on the Swatch.
I like to buy things that are a little bit newer because they tend to have more volatility. So you can get in and out. You can chop your feet. You can get running with it.
So can you put age as a filter in here?
Yeah,
Yeah.
so it does have
Oh,
created within minutes.
So we're looking. Okay, I like this. So we're looking at something.
6 minutes.
No. Like,
No, like
within
20.
within 1 hour. So 60
I
minutes.
normally, 60 minutes is fine. Let's take a look at 60 minutes and see what starts popping up.
We only lesbian pussy. What?
Okay, we're not gonna buy that one.
You just wanted to read that one out,
Yeah.
Nick.
Ball stack.
Wow, we're really getting it down. I like the backpack monkey. I'm not gonna lie.
Ooh, backpack monkey.
I don't hate backpack monkey.
Wow.
Ooh, that one's pretty good.
Very
Backpack.
interesting monkey
this
there
one,
wearing a
guys.
backpack.
I'm in for one soul. Let's fucking get it.
On
You're in
Monkey?
backpack monkey?
I just bought backpack monkey.
No, you didn't.
Mhm.
No, you didn't.
I did. I'm in for
Who else
one
did?
soul.
The chat bots and backpack monkey? We told them not to.
The chat should not buy this. Oh my
This
god,
Don't
they're
buy
pumping
it.
They're pumping it, Nick.
Oh my God, backpack monkey's going up. Oh my, oh
They're
my
fucking pumping
God.
it, Nick. This thing is giga sending now, dude. Oh
Guys,
my
do not
fucking
buy
God,
this. What
dude.
did we just say?
Do
This is literally
not
You
buy
just sent
backpack
Nick. You
monkey.
just sent this so fucking high.
Nick, they said
dude.
this is a rug. This is a rug.
Oh, they say that on everyone though. They say that on everyone. It's totally common. Like this is not
Fighting.
unheard of. Not unheard of for them to call it a
Ooh,
rug.
the dev
Actually
only
pretty
owns
common.
1%. This could be a cook.
Dev only 1% is bullish, but he could have multi-walleted it.
Yeah, of course he
Oh,
can and did.
Interesting.
I don't know. Well, somehow the number keeps going up, and I feel like this is the future of finance. Are you seeing the backpack on the monkey?
So it is. Do you think he's going to school, or
I
do you
like the
think that
color
he's going
palette
to work?
too. Yeah.
Where do you think he's off to?
It looks like he's probably going to like a school. He looks like a middle schooler, middle school monkey.
Okay. Yeah.
This
Okay.
ticker is just going straight up right now, by the way, guys.
It's at a 25K market cap, and Nick got in around 8. Thank you, Nick.
So is this legal? That's the question. That
Yeah, we should probably call the lawyer.
Oh wow, Oh wow, we got a
Wow.
wow.
With the backpack.
Wow.
So, ladies and gentlemen, we're on TikTok, and there's no surprise, there is some backpack monkey content. There's a small monkey walking with a backpack on. Very interesting stuff. And he's drinking out of a bottle.
drinking
This
out
is
of a
very, very good. And with
Look at that cute monkey.
wow,
Is
backpack
that
monkey
not the
content.
future? What are we talking about, guys?
Backpack monkey right there. Wow, that was pretty good.
What market cap do we need it to be at for it to go over to the next level?
It's about halfway there. Scroll down. You can actually see. Scroll down just a bit. You can actually see.
Greeny.
Right there, we're at 87% before it goes to radium.
What? Greeny
go.
put in 10
Let's
soul.
go.
89% now. This is probably gonna end up going to radium, Nick. Well done. Nick, what is your one soul worth now?
I don't even want to say.
What's it worth?
Well, I sold out a quarter soul in the process. I was like, this is stupid. I have 4 Solana right now.
Wow. Wow. Backpack monkey, man. Wow.
But look, here's the deal. This is the future of finance as far as I can tell.
The backpack stays
The
on.
backpack stays on, man.
Backpack stays on.
The backpack stays on. Backpack monkey. No red candles yet. This is actually preposterous.
No,
So-
this is totally normal.
Easy. With the how does
50,000? But yeah, now it's probably pulling.
how does
back.
Pump.Fun take a 10% fee?
Oh,
Is
it's
it off
dumping.
every buy or sell?
They have a fee on sells, buys, and sells. That's 10%.
Jesus. So they take
they print.
10%?
But think about it, dude. If it's like 10% when you're up 100%, doesn't fucking matter. Like this is
sustainable?
gambling. I mean,
Is
dude, they
that
make $1 million
sustainable?
a fucking
Look
day.
at the fucking backpack, Clemente.
No, I'm talking about Pump.Fun
at
in
the
general.
monkey.
They're just printing right now.
Look at the
But
monkey.
what I'm saying is there's a product that's being sold here, and it's one that is incredibly sound. There's
Yeah,
a monkey with a backpack on.
Yep.
Have you guys aped in though? That's the real question.
No, it's at 36K.
No, you're not supposed to buy anything that is discussed on this show, so I have not bought any.
Yeah, I'm here just for entertainment purposes only. None of this is financial advice. If you are watching this, I prefer the top bunk near the bathroom.
We directly told the audience multiple times, don't buy anything. So yeah, do not buy anything on this show. It's pretty wild.
Why wouldn't you buy the? Okay, I'm gonna tweet about it.
Are you kidding me? You're gonna
Just
tweet
to
about
let
the
people know whatever they do not buy Why is the token HOORAY?
That's a gap in the
monkey.
token.
He's excited to go to school.
Yeah, but that's
Hooray.
you got to make it a little bit better there. Monkey with backpack.
I don't know,
It's
man.
at 50K market cap.
I'm gonna say
Oh, looks like it's got some legs here. 61K. Looks
Pull the
like
chart
it's
back
about-
up. What are
it's
you
about to go.
doing?
looks like it's
Put the
going back.
chart
here.
back
Put the
up.
chart back up. What are you doing, coward?
so. I'm gonna tweet this out. Let's see what happens. So I'm gonna say. So we're gonna say. What am I gonna say on this tweet? I'm gonna say I cannot believe that people are aping this after we told them not to. Just outrageous.
It's about to go to Radium.
that so
It's
many
at
people
68.4.
No,
would
it's going- I think it's
buy
going-
this. Just outrageous that so many people would buy this and that it would pump so hard. Guys, do not buy this.
It's about to
I'll
go to
I'll
Radium.
just leave it at this. Say mind blown. And dude, I can't believe that Ansem got involved with this.
Again.
And Ansem got involved again?
Oh my god. Dude.
What the fuck is happening?
What's the
All
cap
right,
on this?
I just
Clemente?
tweeted that out. It's now 70,000.
It's going.
What was it when Nick bought in?
Like 8K.
Nick, what is your Solana stack worth now?
I can't refresh it because now it's locked. It's switching over to Radium, basically.
I like the glass bottle Pellegrino during the Pump.Fun degeneracy.
So whose money are we taking, guys? Like that's
We're taking Peters to pay Paul. That's what we're doing over and over and over and over. That's it. That's it. What is the CA? God damn it, dude. Pump funners, handshake, Nick friend fantasy top card holders. I mean, hey, it's one way to pump the fantasy top, my friend.
How do I use I've never used Photon before. Is this a
I love Photon. Pull up Photon. Let's get you educated.
Okay.
It says right to jail right away.
connect the wallet?
Yeah, connect wallet. It's gonna make you a new wallet, but it uses your original wallet as like the sign-in.
Okay.
So connect wallet.
Connected.
No, it's okay. Generate.
Generate.
don't-
Whoa.
No, that's just your trading wallet. You're fine.
Am I-
Don't share. No, don't share. Don't share.
Whoa,
Don't share. Don't
whoa.
share. Don't share. Stop sharing. Stop sharing. Stop sharing. Stop sharing. Stop sharing. Now slide that for your own need.
I almost just lost all of my soul.
We
Final
should do that
testing
one day.
mode.
Just like accidentally, like release a token on, or like release a secret.
Put 5 soul in it and
That's
take a
what-
private key.
That's how the epic duck went.
All right.
Really?
So I'm gonna skip this tutorial. All right, so I'm in easy.
So
What
now
are we
you're in.
doing?
Okay. So now you need to deposit soul in your Photon wallet. Click
On
the
YouTube?
wallet.
Sorry. So why are you using Photon here?
It's faster.
Then
Pump
then
Photon website.
Pump.Fun?
Yeah, way
Oh,
faster.
I have the 1 second chart here for
Yeah, the 1 second chart's a good chart. Yeah.
Really?
So, Clemente, you actually don't have any soul in your wallet yet. So click the little wallet in the top right.
Oh, this is if I want to trade.
Yeah, this is if you want to trade. Yeah.
I am good for now.
Okay. So yeah, as soon as it migrates to Radium, we'll start to see some volatile price action on this.
Someone replied, "What about chicken with hat?" Bro,
That was so yesterday.
bro. That was uncool after 30 minutes. You gotta keep those
So-
feet moving.
We're getting some replies from the audience of they're finding additional lore. This is from 2019. Another monkey hat here, or monkey with backpack.
Wow.
Look at this monkey.
That's a dripped out monkey's wearing a it looks like a schoolgirl outfit. It seems to be a skirt. They elected to not do
Have
pants
you
on that
noticed the
monkey.
pattern here, guys? So basically, we got dog with hat.
Yep.
We got
Chicken with drip.
We got
Monkey with
Backpack
backpack.
monkey.
backpack. A monkey with backpack.
No, it's backpack monkey, is it not?
Backpack monkey. Yeah, that's what it is. Yep.
Come on.
Interesting. 1 minute chart. What do we? Oh no, the 1 minute chart. You want 1 second. Easy. Do you trade? So when you trade with the 1 second chart when you're
I use the
in
1
your
minute
shitters?
chart.
1 minute. Okay.
1 second's a little too aggressive. I like the
Yeah,
1 minute chart.
I mean, this chart is very
And
interesting.
it looks like the Bitcoin chart.
Very interesting. This is clearly where things are headed.
Mm. Let me hold on. Let me chart this a little bit. So,
Oh, yo, you like that chart, Nick?
Yep, basically just an upline.
Here we go. Some technical analysis being done by Clemente
I mean, this is clearly in the
on the.
just keeps
The
holding.
Keltner channel.
Yeah, this.
I like that. This is the Vara. So this is the Varus variable.
Yeah,
Is what-
exactly.
The Varus variable is signaling that this thing is going up. I like the sophisticated technical analysis. Reminder, nobody buy this thing. Do not buy it. If you are listening to this, do not buy it. It's going to go to zero promptly. It's going to zero right now.
Well, no, it's not yet. It's a transfer over to the new channel. When is that going to? How long does it take again? 5 minutes?
Anywhere from 5 minutes to 20 minutes. Usually it's pretty quick though.
To 20 minutes?
Only if there's congestion, but Solana's not congested right now.
Yeah, because no one wants to use any blockchain. It's ridiculous.
Listen,
it's all the same people.
The Varus variance is
Yep.
looking promising on this,
Mhm.
and that's one of my top 2 metrics that I look at. I look at the Varus variance as a top 2 metric.
I mean, absolutely. Yeah.
it's officially up. It's now on Radium. We're up to a 90K market cap.
90K, baby.
Up on 120K.
Holy shit! All right, I'm putting up the 1 second.
150K.
No, it's not. The Varus
158K.
variance.
126. Oh god, dude, it's going.
This thing is ripping right now. Okay,
Absolutely ripperoni right now.
2.
When Nick bought in, it was 8K, ladies and gentlemen.
Look at the holder count going up.
This is the future of finance right here, dude.
277. It's going. It's just.
And it's now down to 80K.
The dev dumped.
The volatility is
No, but look how it's pumping now. Look at that pump. It's back, baby.
The dev did in fact sell.
Yeah,
hard.
the dev dumped.
The dev did sell.
Are you
Look at
kidding me?
No, the dev
What do you mean? Are
did
you
sell.
kidding me? What do you think he was gonna do?
The dev transferred his
Exactly.
tokens.
What do you think he was gonna do?
Oh, look at this pump. This is the future right here.
This is
That
funny.
is looking like a monkey with a backpack.
Wow,
right there,
this is wild.
Right
Look
back
at
to
this chart,
126K.
ladies and gentlemen. We have the chart pulled up. It has been, needless to say, quite volatile. And so we've seen a pump pretty damn high, and then it went pretty damn low. Then it went high again, then low again, then high again, then low again. Now it's going up.
This is as bullish of a chart. Draw the lines, Clemente. What are you doing, dude?
Varus variance.
All right, let me
making
let me
higher
check
lows.
this one.
Oh, there's a pump. It's going back up.
So I just pinned up. If anyone's curious,
That is a bullish flag right there, if I've ever seen one, dude.
Ascending wedge.
So
And ascending right there we go.
Breakout.
There we go.
Oh my god.
Why did he switch charts?
Okay,
Why
okay.
did you
Back to the 1 second.
on
Back
us?
to the 1 second.
I mean, look at that. Holy
That's what we need the breakout though to continue here, and I think it should. We should see a 2x from this level, a
To
2x from
300K.
this level. We're going for 2x about from this level. Let's go, baby. 2x from this
He's about
level.
to-
There we go.
Oh,
No.
A couple things. Zoom out on the chart. Zoom out on the
Don't
chart.
pay
That's
for
number
hand
one. And I like Nick's play-by-play. That's fantastic. I want to shout out some dev comments. We got Swine Flu weighing in, saying that the dev just had the best day ever after transferring and dumping his tokens. Tristan weighing in that this is hilarious. That guy, his analysis is saying that this is about to dump. Osiris went from a rather negative tone to his comments to
Wow,
in all caps writing, is this the next Solana? I'm going to go ahead and answer that question. No, it's not. It's Backpack Monkey.
Yes, it is. It's Backpack Monkey. There's never been technology developed as big.
Well,
and
we're
successful
fighting.
as this.
Look at the resistance, but then the subsequent breakout.
Look at the
Look at that punch right there. Oh my god, that was not.
Oh my god.
Oh my goodness, this is a war zone, ladies and gentlemen. This is
Sayonara, motherfucker!
this is some oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh, good
It's pumping
lord!
back.
This is a World War II like back and forth from the sellers to the buyers. Oh my god.
dude.
What was that ticker? Or what was that wick? Holy shit. And it went to the level that I just said on that breakout, dude. What did I say?
Oh my
so
goodness.
back.
No,
We're
zoom
so
out.
back.
Zoom out.
Zoom out.
Yeah. Oh my God. The peaks and troughs of this scenario. It's been really. Someone said the whales are here. I don't know if
How
I
do we
go
buy
that
this
far.
with a 401k directly?
The funniest thing is, by the way, for people listening on Twitter, the alpha people have been talking about is YouTube, because you have a 10-second head start on the Twitter space.
Wait, is that true?
There's less of a lag.
There's a delay. I did not know that.
Slight delay on Twitter.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
I thought that we were going directly to Twitter Spaces via our setup, but I think I'm wrong.
No, but Twitter just delay, like Spaces has this an inherent delay. It's like 4 seconons or whatever.
Yeah, Osiris went from being.
This does look like a consolidation area, a consolidation zone on the
Backpack Monkey.
Backpack Monkey. I'm a little bit confused as to whether or not. Oh, that's another power wick. Look at that power wick. That's serious buys, dude.
The Varus variance.
Serious buy indicator here. I think we got a little. What we're looking for. Draw the. Oh, it's breaking above the level that I'm talking about. Draw a flat line there. No.
I know what line you're talking.
Yeah, there we go. Give us that.
Oh, that's
no. Just a flat horizontal line at that level, basically.
Okay, we need that line. Let's get that flat. So is that resistance?
This is what we're looking at. We're setting up another bullish flag. Break above.
Break above.
Break above. There we go. There we go.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Bounces off the line again. What did we just say?
Oh, what's the market cap? What's the market cap?
285K.
285K off of an AK
Clemente,
bottom.
no,
Variance.
Sorry, that's temporary. It's breaking back above. Get rid of that diagonal line you just drew. Get rid of that diagonal line. That is a garbage line. Let it sit. Let it sit. Let it express itself. You got to let it express itself. It gave the breakout that we were looking for, the confirmation of the breakout. Let's just see what happens here. Let's just let it breathe, to let it declare its next action.
Let it marinate.
It's not bad yet. It's not bad yet, because it's just showing that the resistance became support. We're seeing another level of consolidation here. There it is again. The same horizontal line. You see a triple thing like that. We're looking for one other breakout. Draw another flat line up at the top here. Draw another flat. Not right there. A little bit down. A little bit down. A little bit down.
Here.
Yep, right there. Draw a horizontal line. This is the consolidation range. Is right there basically. So this is our level of consolidation. You realize when you click on that line, you can draw a horizontal instead of drawing trending. You're currently on the trending line setting.
Got it.
So hold down on that one. No, hold down on that trending line setting. No. There.
Oh,
there's a lot of line options that you get.
Should I go anchored VWAP?
It looks like we are. So what you're about to test is that the support. You don't want support to become resistance, but it's looking like a nice support. This is a consolidation range. We're looking for a breakout over this.
Greeny's calling out the Varus variance chart.
There we go. There we go. We're looking for a breakout above the level.
That's
We're looking for a breakout above. It's is fighting.
This is a war.
There's a lot of battle taking place at that level, but that's where you want to see the battle to happen. You want the battle to be at the resistance zone. It's breaking above. The fight is strong. The buyers are holding. What's going to happen next? Not a line you want to draw there.
Is that this is an ascending wedge, if I'm not mistaken? Am I correct about that?
No. Okay. I need to declare that. There we go. There goes the wick we were looking for. Exactly what I was talking about.
Is that the wick?
Above that level. We need one more break above it.
We're up to 700 holders, Nick.
What's that?
700 human beings have Backpack Monkey. That's very interesting.
Well, it is the future.
Oh no. See you.
No, don't worry. We're still competing at that level, Clemente. Don't give up faith. There's just a little bit of resistance, a little bit of back and forth. This is not bad.
Went to zero.
What is back already?
Get rid of your stupid fucking channel, Clemente.
Ladies and gentlemen, this thing is going up and down.
All right.
So we have a range that's very competitive here. They're trying to break it above this level. And I just think,
oh no.
Ooh, you hear it in Clemente's
Yeah,
voice. You
but
hear
dude,
his
you get to
energy
a
being.
horizontal line. That was the level that we were looking at before. You have your other line. Dude, what is going on? What is this site that you're on?
Ooh.
This is Photon.
Oh.
This site is Photon? No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
What's the URL?
Photon slash
I'll send it to you here.
All right, what this
People
is?
are weighing in saying that we should be looking at the order
I'm
book.
sending it to you. Scroll down, you can see the order book and transactions.
Are they fucking dumping on us, these people?
Ooh.
Yeah, probably.
Give me the
Here you go.
URL.
Oh, it went
I
to
just did.
zero. Oh, good lord.
That's
like
kind of the
crazy.
vibe of the chart. Ooh,
People have made
lower lows.
$9 grand off of this.
Who made no? They weren't supposed to buy it, so.
No, this is the dev for sure.
Can you zoom back up to the chart, Clemente? And
This is a dev for sure.
oh my god, dude! Why do I need to go to Photon for this? Is ridiculous, dude. This
Photon's
charting is
faster.
this is disappointing with this chart situation. Hold on one second. What's the name of the ticker?
Backpack Monkey HOORAY, I think.
Yeah.
Ooh, this thing is
Oh, Greeny dumped on us. Greeny said, I made a juicy bag. Thanks. I'm out fully.
That's what happened. So Greeny,
Dude, Greeny is unethical.
We told him not to buy it.
Well, Greeny actually just went sicko mode. He just yikes.
Greeny, yo, bro.
Look, this is Greeny right here.
Fucking,
17 soul sale.
Greeny's banned from listening to this show anymore.
We're gonna block Greeny for this behavior. This is not okay.
Scaled out profits, fam.
You didn't scale out. You just dumped in a whole huge chunk.
Scaled out. Well,
right,
look,
so
The market's back pumping. Thank the Lord that they can get rid of Greeny. Guys, this is
What's rebounding? It's rebounding aggressively, ladies and
there
gentlemen.
we go.
Wow. Now that Greeny's out, everybody else is like, all right, bullish. Now that piece of shit's out,
Wow, look at this.
I'm just kidding.
Hey, Greeny, how's this TA, buddy?
This is going to go to zero.
Greeny,
The second that this
how's
show
that
ends, this
TA?
goes to zero.
The backpack monkey is back. These are the championship rounds. He's back. He's sneaking in. He's sneaking in jabs. He was playing possum there for a minute. Wow.
I think this has a. Oh, oh my god!
Ooh, it looks like someone else who had a considerable amount is now out.
Now it's pumping again, dude. These Pump.Fun people,
Ruthless.
just absolute devils.
So I'm gonna switch to the 1 minute chart real quick. See what we're looking at here from a longer. Okay, this is not the worst thing in the world.
Look at those lines. There's like inverted horizontal lines on this thing. There's a literal horizontal line with a straight arrow up.
Thank you for that analysis, Clemente.
So the Photon trading wallet goes off of the.
No, you have to send Sol to it. It's a custodial wallet.
Oh,
Wait, I don't know what I just did, dude.
You changed it from tickers to oh god, what did you press
I
that?
have-
See next to the 1 second, click that one, yep. And then go to you can do candles. Yeah.
Now we're
There you
back. Okay, here we go. Anyways, we're resuming here. Nick, you tweeted this out.
yeah. What do you mean?
He says, yeah, what do you mean? Of course. Jesus Christ, dude.
Oh, dude, this is so funny.
W Nick. Okay.
I did not say to buy this. I said I can't believe people bought this after we told them not to.
Exactly. Literally told him not to. Okay. Well, are we continuing with backpack monkey analysis?
I don't think so. I think we may be at time.
What? Hold on. Pull the chart back up.
Pull the chart back up.
What is going on?
Here we go. 220. So you can see, look at this. I mean, this was pretty if we zoom out a little bit, what are we looking at here? Oh no. It's got to hold this. Okay, good. See, this is the level that we're looking at here is right here, right? So this is truly the Fibonacci level that you really don't want it to break out of. And
This is the Fibonacci levels
yeah, this is Fibonacci.
with the Keltner channel.
Yeah.
Backing it up.
The Fibonacci is
Look at
How
those
are
wicks.
how are the Bollinger Bands looking on this right now?
Yeah, Clemente, if you could press that FX indicators right up by the candles in
Look
the
at
top
this
left.
pump. Dude,
Clemente?
these pumps are
Let me
so
check.
ridiculous, dude.
Hit indicators right there. Yeah,
Uh-huh.
and then press B.
BO.
Oh, yeah, and then second one down, Bollinger Bands. Okay, there we go.
Look at this bullish situation that we have here.
So what are we looking at here? What is this? What is this Bollinger Band?
Well, we're in the top level of it, which means it's bullish. It's still very bullish here, Clemente.
190. What was the all-time high on this? 300.
300.
What is the duration over which this Bollinger Band is being defined? Like a week?
I think it's a 20-minute. Look, Clemente, go over to BB20 right under volume, top left, down a little bit. No, down. See where it says HOORAY volume BB20 on the chart?
Yes.
In the chart.
In the chart. Down, slightly down.
Oh my
up.
God, dude.
Oh yeah, I see it. I
Yeah,
see
yeah,
it.
and now press the gear icon.
Gear.
Yeah, and then change length to 1.
Interesting. Okay. Multi.
Press OK.
We keep
No,
multi.
keep the multi, it's fine.
Okay.
Oh, it did not change anything, even when we broke it down to the 1.
Wow. So this does look as bullish as it's ever been.
Yeah, ever, I guess. Jesus Christ, dude.
Do I need to send the money to the wallet to use Photon? No, I can just put it in here. Okay.
You press deposit or you put it in the private key that you have that you exported.
Okay, cool. So I have all those things. I just wanted to use the charting because Bird Eye doesn't let you view the 1 second.
No, Photon's way better as like a trading tool. I mean, we gave some education here on how we navigate Pump.Fun.
This
and
is
the tools
really
that we
good.
use.
Okay. So I like this Photon
Oh,
situation.
it's way faster.
The URL is awful.
Terrible.
Let me
But I
just
think
share
that's bullish.
something here for the 1 second. Guys, this is a bad looking chart. Why is my chart look different than yours, Clemente here?
I have my custom. I have my custom made for optimal performance, basically. So we got another video here, courtesy of our researcher. So he's loading up his backpack. He's getting ready for this is a 13-minute video we're watching.
Look at this chart. This is the one. This doesn't look bullish.
No. No.
This looks pretty bad.
What is this, Nick? You got to zoom in. We like can't see anything on yours.
Maybe you need to zoom in.
No, you're it's from your end.
What's wrong with this chart? Are you concerned that my candles are? I'm on the 1 second chart. What are you on?
Okay, so I just hold on. I just unlocked a new feature on this. Can I share my screen again?
You zoomed in like this. This is what you ended up doing. Let me show you how to do technical analysis the right way. This is the sending direction. Look at that. Sending direction. This.
Ooh, so I just got the Fibonacci pulled up here.
Okay.
Fibonacci. Here we go. Let's take a look at this. This is really easy. What do I do with this thing?
What the?
What do I do with this thing?
What do I do with the Fibonacci here, dude?
Well, you have to use the Fibonacci lines and anchor it to bottoms and tops to figure out where it's going. But right
You're
now,
just moving the mouse around.
right now you're just fucking in no man's land, chief.
Hit escape.
Okay.
Hit escape.
Is that easy? What do I do with the Fibonacci?
First, you need to load up, expand this the axis, dude. Go to your axis right now.
One, yeah. Okay. What does that
You
mean?
don't know what that axis, right? Y axis, dude.
Yeah. I'm here.
Nope, that's not the axis. That's your control panel. Go to the numbers on the right.
Yep.
Expand that. Drag it up.
Jesus Christ.
Keep dragging it up, and bring down. Keep dragging it up.
Mm-hmm.
Bring it down.
The shit out of it.
Okay.
Now we're talking.
And zoom over to the right some, and then keep dragging.
Keep dragging.
Yes.
Okay.
There we go. You're starting to get a full chart. Interesting. So now you would draw the Fibonacci starting at one of these levels, basically. So let's go to that bottom level, for example. You see where there's consolidation, not there, up a little bit to the right, that one.
Mm-hmm.
Click the mouse.
Fibonacci.
And there goes your Fibonacci notch.
Fibonacci. So you want this?
Meanwhile, while you're teaching Clemente,
Just
literally
selling.
it's red candles. It's literally being pulverized, like it's being driven into the ground.
Oh, it went to zero.
That is wow. That thing
It just keeps going.
wow. This thing is going.
Oh
to
no!
zero.
All right, the Fibonacci was not the was not what needed to be done.
Well, rest in peace to the
I would say the
backpack
idiots
monkey.
who bought this garbage are now losing their money.
Jesus Christ.
What did we say on the show, people? Do not buy.
What did we say?
I don't care that the monkey is cute. I don't care.
Oh my God.
Look at the red.
Go to the 1 minute chart.
Okay, 1 minute. Okay, wait,
Oh.
hold on. I have the Bollinger. I think it's the what is going on?
Go over to your price and scroll down. Yeah, there you go.
Dude, I'm about to have to show you how to do this, man.
So this is bearish for the Bollinger Band now.
Yeah,
Let me-
yeah, definitely a bearish scenario playing out.
Let me. I have pulled up right now the proper chart here, Clemente. If you want to see what the life cycle of a Pump.Fun chart is, this is it. This is literally the life cycle of a Pump.Fun chart. If someone says bullish pullback, no, this is it. It looks like this is the end of this token.
Yeah, I think that's pretty clear.
I can't believe there were people that bought this. We told them not to. We said, don't buy this. You're going to lose your shirt.
That's right.
You're going to lose your shirt. Greeny was the one who marked the top. Greeny was the person who caused this thing to implode.
Mm-hmm.
And Greeny, we don't appreciate you for that, dude.
That's right.
We demand an apology. I want you to go in the Discord and apologize to everybody whose money you stole. Because there's no doubt it's the Discord people who end up taking that taking that bet.
Real quick, I didn't even realize that we had a segment of raised trades on the show today that we didn't get to. I want to cover.
You want to just run through them real quick?
Yeah. Let's. So, ladies and gentlemen, raised trades is yet another segment that is not financial advice, and you should never follow raised trades. But we like to report them so people are aware of what's going on in the market. So, in this section, we aim to show a breakdown of trades made by Bodaga's own full-time research analyst Ray. Hence the name Raised Trades. First one, Sekai.
So this guy says it. Raised top trade. Monkey
Buy
with
monkey with backpack, and it's backpack monkey number one. And no, needless to say, that was not in the raised trades section of the show. I believe monkey, with backpack monkey only has existed for like 45 minutes in the world, so it was not in the call sheet this morning. So Sekai Glory game cards at 0.0004 Ethereum, which is about $1.25
How
on
many of these are there? 88K.
88,000. He bought them at $1.25. This thesis by Ray in the raised trade section rests on a few assumptions. The assumptions are these cards are in the jackpot pool as they were a big bang runner up and have received gold from the team at every distribution. So Ray is betting that this could be a potential jackpot winner. Next one, since the game creates a wallet with Privy, many of these cards may not yet be in decks and return outsized gold per card, similar to what we saw with the first fantasy top distribution. At 88K total supply, assuming conservatively that half are in decks, this would return 2 to 5 gold per card, depending on jackpot size. At current gold price, estimates that would be $12 to $30 per $1.25 invested. So Ray has clearly thought through this quite a bit. He's treating these purely as raffle tickets. He's not expecting to resell the actual assets for anything meaningful. So he's treating it like a raffle ticket for the jackpot for Blast Gold. Wait, who wrote? So number 2, he put Backpack Monkey. I think he updated the call sheet during that. Ray, you're a funny bastard. That's pretty funny. So the commenter is right about Backpack Monkey. So anyway,
Can we
Sekai
pull the
Glory
Backpack
Game.
Monkey chart back up just to see what the situation is real quick?
It's
Not good.
Nick. It's getting worse.
It's exactly what you expect. It's forming an Egyptian pyramid pattern, which is a well-known pattern in trading. It's what you don't want to see it. You don't want to see it. Anyway, so the show was brought to you, ladies and gentlemen, in partnership with Galaxis, of course, the decentralized no-code platform that allows creators to build tokenized communities without having to worry about any of the coding required. Creators can issue membership cards that unlock perks, physical or digital redeemables, and also access to various IRL events. Galaxis also launched a community grants program with, get this, $1 million worth of rewards to be distributed to creators and community members. To get started, register your community now using the link. It's pinned up top. Clemente should have it going on the YouTube stream as a banner as well. Shout out to Galaxis. You'll hear more about the partnership that we have with them. Like I mentioned before, we need no-code solutions in Web3. Not everybody's a developer. If you think back 20 years to the Web2 era, you had to know how to code at first, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, all that stuff to build websites. Now you can just go on platforms like Squarespace and Wix and others to make a website. That's what we need in Web3. The equivalent of that, Galaxis is a decentralized no-code platform.
Pretty sick.
Exactly.
Exactly. The sickness is unparalleled.
100%. We got Clemente showing it. Sign up for Galaxis at HTTP. It's at Galaxis.xyz. GALAXIS.xyz.
Do they have examples of things that I can build?
We'll walk through it on a future Twitter stream or things like that. But I do like Doc JPEG telling Greeny to buy a Bodago now. I agree. He absolutely should.
That's the only valid apology that we'll accept. He turned 10 soul into 100 soul, is what my guess is. Just
10 to
happened.
20.
No, that's not what happened.
Okay. Anyways,
are you sure?
Live reaction. Raised trade is a hit so far. We are seeing
You said it was for Solana?
People are enjoying the raised trade segment.
Yeah, we are seeing a massive, just colossal sweeps across the board for this. Thousands of sales.
Well, that's not the point of raised trades. You're literally not supposed to buy the things that are in raised trades. We tell you directly not to buy it.
Right.
With the supply that's on this is borderline like a
it's a raffle ticket. Like Ray, literally, it was a full detailed thesis from Ray. It's also in the newsletter, by the way. Ladies and gentlemen, go look at the newsletter. It's published in the newsletter.
And the newsletter gets sent before our show, hours before it. You know what else was in the newsletter? Backpack Monkey.
No, it wasn't. Backpack Monkey didn't exist at the time the newsletter was published. Yeah. But newsflash, raised trades is in the newsletter. So subscribe to the newsletter if you want raised trades.
Dailybones.com.
Dailybones.com. We talk about it on the show every day. Every day. There's not raised trades every day. It's only when Ray makes a trade. Hence the name raised trades.
Did we talk to our lawyers about that one also?
There's excessive, not financial advice things everywhere.
I just feel like we're going to go to jail as a result of this. I don't know.
They're disobeying.
I don't know who we is, Nick.
You were the one that pumped this fucking monkey token, dude.
Okay. Lock it in.
Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, that's our last show for the week. Make sure that you subscribe to the newsletter where Raised Trades gets published hours before the show. Again, not every day, because he doesn't make trades every day. But when Ray makes a trade, Raised Trades gets published in the Raised Trades section of the newsletter. It then gets discussed in the Raised Trades section of the show. Anyway, the show's available on Apple and Spotify podcasts, written newsletter, like I mentioned, YouTube for the video stream. Like and subscribe on YouTube. X platform video as well, wherever you are.
Oh shit! Twitter is no longer twitter.com. It's now x.com.
It's been that way for a while.
No, it hasn't.
What do you mean?
How long has it been x.com, Clemente?
I think it's always been
Always been.
It was redirected.
Yo.
Maybe it was redirected when it
Yo,
went up.
can I get breaking news?
I just
Can I
got a
get breaking news?
notification of this. Okay.
Elon bought Twitter. Breaking news.
Yo, you guys are disrespectful, dude. I just had a notification popped up, and Ray just said it just changed today.
Mm.
Oh, if Ray said it, then I believe it.
Oh, okay, you bunch of dickheads.
Breaking.
Give me the breaking news sound.
Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for listening. We will be back on Monday. Again, we're wherever you need to be, or